my guys. Hello guys, I'm cooking. I'm preparing the food. And this is my sibuyas. In fairness, I'm cooking my fish. Sunog na yung itlog ko. I wanna eat eggs today. Look at this. See, I'm cooking my fish. And here's my tubig. Wow. Look at that. Naputol pa yung fish na. Guys, join me eating. At the same time, I'm going to akin ko naman si guys, too much oil. Nililihit ko yung ulam kong munggo. May fire na yata ako dito. Ang gulo ng kutina ko. Yung fire. Naggulo, di kusina. Look at that. Guys. Hope you don't mind. Kasi, gagamay na talaga at ibisin mata na mga ima. Diba? This is my munggo. I have some munggo with me. Maybe very dry, that's why. There you go. And then, sige na nga, atayusin ko pa yung table. There you go. Sensya na kayo. Guys, join me eating. I'm here again. Okay, just 1 minute. I will just get some more. Hi! Late dinner na. This is still early. Pero early dito kasi busy people. Anyway, I'm going to get that now. I will eat in a minute. Late bloomers po eh. Kaya, ayun pa lang kakain. You like my food? I hope you like it. Look at this. This is the fruit we'll eat later. Wow, kanin na may ito. Pang breakfast to, pero there's no breakfast that's in Hong Kong. So, this is munggo with bitter marrow leaf. Oh, hope you're hungry too. Okay, well, some more to go. I need to wash my hands as well because dirty. Ito ang kanin ngayon. This is our ulam o sibuyas. You like this? And this is my kamatis and sibuyas as well. Tingnan ko nga kung meron pa kami patis. Oh yes, finally. Finally, we have patis. This one, patis. Patis ng life. Konti lang. Oh, maybe coffee today because I'm busy. Hi guys! Sensya na! It's time to eat! Magkakamay daw ako ngayon. Special request. How to do it. Sensya na guys. Kain na tayo. This is my ulam for today. I'm gonna show you. This is munggo. Lentil soup to. Kaso nga lang, linagyan ko ng, ano to? Bitter marrow leaf. Yung ampala leaf. This is my fruits. And this is my ulam. Guys, baka iiyak ako ngayon. Pero gusto ko ang mahanghang kasi. Hi! Ang tao ko, no. Kumain na kayo? Have you done with it? Kumain na ba kayo ng kanin? Hi, Melba. Kain na. Amuyo. Special request from a friend na gusto raw nila akong makitang kumain ng kasi ang payat ko raw. Wow. Wow, ah. It's nice. Lentil soup. Please join me also. Amuyo ka kabila. You know what? Ginagawa ko lang to for fun. I'm not monetized yet. Nagpa-fun lang ako just because of my house. Please beware. Choosing an architect, engineer to make your house or to make your toilet good because even the toilet is not even good. Baka yung toilet nyo mamaya is higher than the sitting chair. Please be careful guys choosing an architect. Ay na. Hello kababayan. Ang sarap kaya. And this is my ulam for today. This is my ulam. Fish. Guys, kain na. Kasi, how to say it? I miss to eat this one. I only eat eggs during, only the white one. Only, alam nyo nasunog ito kanina. Embarrassed ako kasi I know it's late already. Sunog. I only eat white egg. Kasi, ang gulo ko. Dapat makita nyo itong kinakain ko rin. Sorry guys if you told me you cannot understand my language in my blog. I think my YouTube one. Kasi, hindi ako marunong mag-Tagalog. But I will try my very best to speak Tagalog. Guys, okay, I hope you guys understand. Ito ngayon. Kain na guys! Please! And this is also sweet cherries. Lagyan ng konting fish sauce para naman may sauce yung ano ko. Ano ito? Tapos parang ang hirap. Mahirap mag-arty-arty ngayon, you know. Ang sarap kaya. This one. At the same time, itong sibuyas, kurabong sarap. Very nice. No wonder why yung sa Thailand, kumakain sila ng ganito. It's nice pala. That's right. So try it. Try it. Parang singkamas ba? And I'll try this one also, this fish. Guys, please join me. Saan na ba yung tito kong narunong din kumain ng sibuyas? Siya nagturo eh. Parang, kain na. Kain. Who's watching? Two guys watching, please. Click whoever you are. Join me. Sarap-sarap talaga. Ang problema eh, sinadya ko itong hindi in-slice. Para you really believe na kumakain ako ng sibuyas. Kaya mabaho ang kilikili ko. Just really na. It's really nice. Pag wala ang sibuyas, hindi masarap ang niluluto, di ba? Ganun din. Pag walang sibuyas, hindi masarap ang kumain. Kaya, it's better kung may sibuyas. Diba? Kain na, guys. Saan na ba kayo? I thought you gonna watch me eating only. Join me also. Please eat your food too. It's really nice. Especially if you eat fish. Really, it's nice. It's a really good combination. Ulam, marami akong makain pag ito ang ulam. You know what? Kain na, guys. Please. Nice, nice. Ba't walang, taga-ano ngayon? Walang nanonood? Where are you guys? Invite ko nga kayo kung pwede. Hi guys, how are you? Kain na. Wala akong magawa sa buhay. Kain na tayo, guys. I'm just enjoying also, you know why? Pampaalis ng sakit ng ulo. Please, join me eating. Guys. Saan na ba sila? Ano ba yan? Ni-snap nyo ang beauty ko ngayon, ha? Kain na tayo! Ano ba? Nakaka-boring naman kayo. I'm even showing my sibuyas to you. Sige na nga, ayaw nyo eh. Okay. Wala na ang Kelber. No viewers yet, your broadcast friends. Google your audience. There. Hi! Kain na tayo. Wala, napsuga kung di kayo pa nakita pa ng kung. Di ba alam mo kayo tayo tumalata din yung kung. Kain na guys. Ito is ito is pampalakas ng buto-buto daw. So try to eat onion. Parang singkamas lang. Pero mahal ang sibuyas kasi dyan sa Pilipinas. Pero walang mahal pag ginusto, right? Ang problema kasi, Ayaw yung kumain. It's nice. It's really nice, guys. Join me. Join me eating. Alam niyo kung bakit? Naboboring na rin ako. Wala akong makasama dito. Kasi ganito na lang every night. Kaya maya dumating na yung anak ko. Mga anak ko kaya. Including my boyfriend. Yun. Ganun na naman. Uy, amuyo guys. Kuha mo, maistorya ako ng agawit tayo Pilipinas yan. So, we're going in the Philippines na. Philippines is good. Mahirap kasi maghanap ng pera sa ito. Mapagalitan ka pa. Dinidibdim mo pa. Ang maganda kasi if you have a small business sa Pilipinas, okay na. Ang hirap ng ibang bansa. Is that right? Yeah. Kasi, kahit matagal na tayo sa Hong Kong, ganun pa rin ang buhay, guys. Try to do something, try to think. Ang problema kasi, padala tayo ng padala ng pera sa Pilipinas. Ine-enjoy naman ng iba sa Pilipinas. Pagdating ng panahon, ikaw nang wala. Kawawa ka na. Yung tinulungan mo, iisnabin ka na. Kaya lahat ng pera nyo, hindi lahat ng pera nyo, ipadala nyo. You have to save some for yourself too in the future. Kasi, kahit kapatid mo man, nanay mo man, asawa na nga, napapalitan. Wow! Dinadagdagan, I know who you are. Dinadagdagan. So, okay lang naman. Basta kaya mong buhayin. At hindi ka man loko ng tao. Yun na, maganda kahit babae. Mo lahat ng tao, lalaki mo ng tao. Kung kaya mo, gagawin mo. Walang makakapigil. That's what you like. Pero kung hindi mo kaya ang mabuhay at buhayin ang pamilya mong pangalawa, pangatlo, pang-apat, huwag ka na magloko. Baubayan mo na sa iba. Kawawa naman yung mga asawa niyong original naghihintay. Naghahanap buhay para sa inyo. No. Kaya, Diyos ko, iba-iba na lang nasasabi ko. May pasabog dito. May pasabog doon. Hindi ko na rin alam ang kinakain ko. Alam niyo kung bakit? Itong ginagawa ko, walang lesson plan. Parang sa teacher ba na may lesson plan? Wala ito. Nagkukunwari lang, vlog lang. Para lang mabuhay yung puso ko. Namatay na ako 2 beses. Pinapatay-patay pa nga eh. Pero I'm a fighter, you know. You don't have to think that. Na kaya ka nilang patayin. Basta nasa Diyos ang yung puso at yung iniisip, okay na yon. Magdasal kayo. Huwag nyo lang magdasal na, sana maging milyonaryo na ako bukas. Sana meron na akong pera bukas. Sana meron na akong eloplano bukas. Meron! Matulog ka. Tapos ipikit yung mata mo, meron. Kaya, be wise guys. Kung gumagastos tayo ng pera, tama lang yung gastusin lang yung tama, hindi yung sige ng sige. Kasi pagdating ng panahon, wala na tayong lakas, wala na tayong ipon, wala na, ikaw na ang kawawa. Yung mga tinulungan mo noon, iisnabin ka na, re-rejecten ka na. May kakilala akong mga ganyan, may na lalaman ako mga story ganyan, which is true. I believe that. Sarili mo nga ang anak kung minsan tinatapon ka na. Kasi wala ka ng silbi. Lalo pag sinanay mo sila ng gold spoon, tapos naging kamayan, like me, kamayan, look. Kamayan, ano, iba na. Iba pa rin ang may sarili kang pera. Kaya guys, next time, this few years, mag-ipon na kayo. At huwag nyo ipadala lahat. Nung andun kayo sa Pilipinas, kasi na yung 12,000, 10,000 na ginagastos ng buong pamilya. Bakit ngayon ang 50,000, 60,000 every month hindi pa kasya? You have to think that. Yung iba, padala ng padala, door to door ng door to door. Tapos, siya, kumakain lang ng noodles, may goreng. Hindi naman masama. Kaso nga lang, you have to save. Save for your future. Not just depend on your son, your daughter, your mother-in-law, your dad. They're all gone. Maybe later, ikaw na nawalan ng paa. You have to imagine that. Pag nawalan ka ng paa, uuwi ka na. You think they will gonna feed you? No! So please, guys, remember, save. Wag niyong ipamigay lahat at pwede rin siguro at it's up to you, it's not me. Pero you try your very best, right? Na mag-ipon din kahit sabihin mo kung ang kita mo is let's say 4,000 net. Sige, padala mo yung 3,000 for tuition fee, blah 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 blah, pang shopping. Yung 1,000, say pinakamaliit yung 500 kahit Hong Kong dollars, pwede mo nang iipon yan ng 1 year. So try to minimize your expenses and believe there. Guys, pag everyday na bago ito, bago tong ano ko, bago tong ano. No. Ako na nga lang, mga damit ko, mga ukay-ukay. Ukay-ukay ng son ko, ukay-ukay ng daughter ko, ukay-ukay ng asawa ko. Kasi lumaki ako eh. Kaya yun, may ukay-ukay dito sa bahay. Guys, so wala na akong masabi at the moment. So try. Hope you like my video. I am already full. So try to let's eat again next time. Hope you like my video. I will still eat this because I don't want to waste it. Don't worry, I will eat. Okay? This is sayang pag tinapon ko. This is also, just say, $2. $2 is how much? 14 pesos. So, don't worry, I will eat this. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Just reminder to all, please stay safe, healthy, and sexy. Yun lang ang masasabi ko. Okay. I love you all. Bye.